Hello everybody, how you doing today? Welcome to another Mix Tips with Mage. I want to show you a quick way on how to let bass cut through any device, phone speakers and small portable devices. It's important for your bass to actually cut through speakers like this because of the way people consume music these days. And without further ado, I'll show you my quick technique on how I achieve this. This is the bass we are working with without any effects on. You can hear how the log drum sounds great already. And I'm sending a bus out, I'm sending the bass out to another bus where I'm adding the shaper box to it. What I'm just doing is adding sidechain. I'm actually sidechaining the kick to the bass so it ducks wherever the kick hits. And I'm also adding the god particle. I won't be using the limiter. I'm only using the particle and the EQ just to add some top shine to the log drum. Let's hear it without the god particle. Now with the god particle on. You can hear how the particle has brought out some top end and making the bass actually sound very clear now. And the next thing I do is add a bus. I send a bus out with a distortion. I'm using the T808. It's a distortion for a guitar. I'm only adding a drive and increasing the tone just to give some distortion. That distortion helps the bass actually cut through any device. What I'm doing is just rolling off the high end and the low end in the EQ. Let's hear the distortion, what it's doing. So you can hear I'm only pushing the middle frequency because I just wanted to cut through speakers because that middle frequency, it's where those portable devices kind of shine the most. So let's hear it exaggerated with the log drums now. So you can hear that you can hear that that distortion is way too much now on that bass. So we need to dial it in to find the sweet spot to make it sound good. I like the way it sounds already. So that's just a quick trick and a quick technique on how to let your bass cut through any device. Thanks for watching, guys.